Hey, good morning, everybody. We are live. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Timbo, Trading Ever After. Good morning, Martin, AP, Carlos, Go and Trades, NP, Brass Donkey, Lawrence, good morning, ZT, Reezy, good morning, Peter, Mr. Wall Street, Kraken, the Kraken, good morning. R5 Studios. All right, market is open. Market is open for business. See what we do here. Let's see what we rip. See if we rip lower. Kind of a crazy overnight session. Overnight session, we were made a nice move higher, and then since just kind of went sideways and lower. All right, looks like the market wants to pushing higher right here at the open. I need my coffee. Good morning, Trade Bum. How we doing? Good. Trade Bomb, UCLA Trades, good morning. Black Coffee, good morning, Black Coffee. Max 90. Daryl Bapty, Terry, good morning, Terry. Win, good morning. Brandon, good morning. Sean, good morning. Amelia, Mitch Marvin, Aaron, good morning, everybody. How we doing? Alua Tosin, Torsten, good morning. From Hamburg, let's go. Good morning, D Versatility. How we doing? John. Good morning, John. Can't get into their TradingView platform. Oh, really, Black Coffee? Here, let me look at mine. I am trying out UProfit. The UProfit Zero accounts, I am trying them out. Let me see if I can get in. Huh. It does appear like there's some issues. All right, is it back? Hey, thank you, Trader Buzz. We got a haircut yesterday afternoon. Top Step not letting people trade election night. Matty Matt, yeah, I saw. Yeah, something's going on with the TradingView. How's my wife's neck? Doing better. So yeah, she went to the chiropractor yesterday then, and man, they gave her some pretty crazy treatments. They were like putting, like they put it like, I think like 20 pounds of weight to kind of stretch her out, like her neck out. And then they also just they basically just treated her neck, and she felt a lot better after that and got some relief. Didn't have as much pain, and yeah, definitely on some drugs. It was a great time yesterday afternoon. Just kidding. But then this morning, it seems like when the way that she's sleeping or something, because this morning then she was aggravated a little bit again. It wasn't that bad, but it was still uncomfortable. So she's going in again this morning at 10 o'clock to get another treatment. And hopefully we can get another treatment before we leave tomorrow. I'm really worried about her when we're traveling. Like, it's not going to be great sitting in a truck for for that long. So hopefully she can just have it fixed. But usually with pinched nerves, those take time. It doesn't heal overnight. So, all right, we are just continuing to sell off here. This morning at 7:30, we were all the way up here at the 752s, and we just tested the 620s. So over 100-point move lower here in the open. Pretty interesting. But yeah, black coffee. So it looks like it closed. Oh, you were actually in a trade, black coffee. Oh, dear. Yeah, that does not sound like a good time. Huh. Yeah, I can't even. I'm trying to get into my UProfit 0 account. It doesn't let me. I can't do it. I am getting close to getting to. I'm getting close to being able to take a payout on UProfit 0 account. Hopefully next week. Kind of. Login error. Huh. Interesting. But I did, by the way, Matt, I saw on your comment regarding Top Step not letting people trade election night. I think that is only for people with a live account. I think. Which would be me. And I finally got an email. I finally got an email last night from Top Step that my live account should be set up within 2 days. So, I don't know. It'll probably Monday when we come back. We should have our Top Step live account. And here's the plan. The plan is I think I need to trade it for, I need to have 8 more days, 8 more winning days. 8 more winning days, and then I can withdraw the full amount. So we're at least going to withdraw maybe a large portion of the funds. And the plan is withdraw it, and then we're going to start from that. We're going to withdraw it, and we're going to create our own live account. And we're going to trade real live account money on NinjaTrader. That's the plan. No, Fred, I don't know why. No answer. Yeah, Matt, it was weird. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe it saved me. Maybe it saved me from blowing the account. Knowing me, I'll probably have the live account for 1 day and then I'll blow it. Just for fun. Just for fun. Yeah, that was crazy, John. That when back in 2020, I wasn't trading at the moment, but I was following along on election night. And they were showing the markets, and I remember how crazy it looked. So I'm still not sure. I'm kind of on the fence that on November 5th, that evening, maybe I was thinking about streaming all night long. No, sorry, 2016. Yes, not 2020. Sorry. 2016, man. Was that actually that long ago? That's crazy. That is crazy. 2016, yeah. When Trump won, that was crazy because it was unexpected. And the markets went crazy. You blew, wait. No way trading ever after. Oh, no. I'm sorry, trading ever after. Wow, look at this market. It is just continuing to sell off. Now we're down. We tested the 600s now. Wow. This market's just ripping this thing lower. We did do, I mean, after a day like yesterday, are we just going to have a big sell-off here? It looks like it. And you were short on you profit, Black Coffee? No way. Is it still down? What the heck? Wow, look at that. Down we go. Down to the 580s now. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, I still can't connect the UProfit Zero account. Thankfully, I wasn't trading it. Shankfully. How many companies I'm gonna go for a live account with? Oh, I have no idea. I don't really have right now. Right now my main focus is Apex and UProfit. I'm trying out UProfit, the zero accounts with the static drawdown. I don't know. I feel like UProfit static, the UProfit zero accounts, I feel like those are a little better than what TopStep has. And yeah, to be quite frank, I'm not really that. I don't know. Let TopStep do its thing. All right, now we go to the 560s. This is starting to really look like we're in a dump day. Big dump already. And we are close to, I mean, right here at the 550s is going to be some support. Or, yeah, we should see some support right here. Let's see if we get a bounce. If we get a bounce here, I might go low size, but if we get a bounce here, we might look for a short entry if we get a good entry. But you got to think the next, even today, like we're getting really close. We're getting close to the yeah, I know, Jig Spuge. I know. That's one thing I'm definitely like. Here's the thing. I like to test out things before I promote them, so to speak. I mean, or I don't know. I try to be careful what I promote, but the UProfit Zero, I really like it, but there's a couple things that are just kind of head scratching where I'm like, that is weird. Like, why? Like, one of the main questions I would have with a UProfit Zero account is like, why can we not have rhythmic? Why can't I not have a rhythmic connection? Like the regular UProfit has a rhythmic connection, so I'm not a huge fan that you have to trade on TradingView. That seems a little sus. I don't know. Then other than that, I mean, right now, honestly, it's more of a almost too good to be true type of account, and I want to get paid out a couple times. I want to actually trade the accounts. I want to actually take a payout, and I don't know. Got to see some actual evidence before I jump in with all, before I go full bore on it. But you can have, I think, 3 accounts. You can't copy trade, which is kind of the. Big earnings this week. We still have what? Meta, Google, and who else? Oh, yeah. But I'm also curious, like, if UProfit is going to put you to a live account. Like, I want to know. I'm being pretty aggressive. I got the 50K account, and I still need a couple. I think I still need 2 more days. I need to trade for 2 more days. But on the 50K account, I'm going to be very aggressive on it. I mean, I'm going to be very aggressive. What kind of monster prop firm doesn't let you copy trade? I mean, it's not like they don't let you, but you can't. But I'm talking about the UProfit Zero accounts. You can't. Okay, you can't. Okay, so supposedly they're going to make it so you can copy trade, but right now on the zero accounts, you can only trade on TradingView. And on TradingView, unless I'm missing something, maybe you can, and I don't know. If I don't, I mean, does someone know, can you copy trade accounts on TradingView? Maybe I just don't know. I didn't know that you could copy trade on TradingView. Do they have that feature, or is there like something I can add? Because if that's the case, I'll do it. Well, no, you can have 20 on UProfit Zero. You can have 20 test accounts, but you can only have 3 live accounts. But again, I don't know that you can actually copy trade on TradingView. Right? Yeah, that's what I thought. So that's why, I mean, they have another platform that they're going to have, and they said that platform you will be able to copy trade. So I don't know. Just got to wait and see. Some of that stuff is where I'm, I don't know, kind of, I don't want to say it's like a red flag, but it's just kind of weird that they don't allow rhythmic connections on the UProfit Zero accounts. I actually sent in a ticket. I sent in a ticket to try to get some information on it, but yeah, UProfit, it is a little bit expensive. So the 50K account is like what, $49 for the test account, but then $150 for the activation fee. But Apex kind of ruins it for you because you're used to spending $35 for a test eval and $85 for a one-time activation fee. So they kind of spoil us a little bit. Aaron, does Apex allow you to go long and short on evals? Yes, they do. Replicon lets you use TradingView. Wait. Are you serious, audio? Search it on YouTube. Guy by the name of Traveling Trader has a tutorial on how to hook it up. For real? All right. I'm down. I mean, hey, you talked me into it. I will look into that. That'd be pretty sweet. Thank you, audio. Yeah. Do you think Apex will extend the $85? I think so. I guess I shouldn't say for sure, but I hope so. I think so. How many UProfit Zero accounts can you have? 3. You can have 3 props or sim funded, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's right. There is news at 10 o'clock, guys. News at 10 o'clock. So, all right, the 15-minute opening range is is officially in. We have 126 point opening range. So this should be interesting. I'm sorry, trading ever after. That is, those are those are not fun times. Oh yeah, yeah. That. Hmm. All right. And anyway, all right. 10 o'clock news at 10 o'clock. I don't want to take a trade here. I'm kind of tempted, but I'm not going to do it. Hey, it looks like you profit zero. It looks like TradingView is back. Interesting. Glad I was not in a trade. Hey, Maximus, how we doing? Good morning. We are either earning or we're learning. That's very true. What happened trading ever after? I assume you were long, and this move lower, just you were just not able to get out, or oh, that's rough. Oh, that sucks. Sorry, trading after. That's rough. Take note of what went wrong. Take note of what went wrong and how you could have done things differently. I assume that there were stop losses not being followed. I would have to assume that. Our ICT mentor is streaming. That's funny, Terry. We're either earning, we're learning, or we're crying. I like that. That's very true too. That's very true. We're earning, we're learning, or crying. Or should it be we're earning or learning and crying? But it'd be like that sometimes. We're earning or burning, Careful, Timbo. Don't be using that kind of language around Apex. They don't like the earn and burners. At first, they were schemers and scammers. Now they're earners and burners. Can't have it. Can't have it, man. The earners. We need a t-shirt. There are so many good t-shirts that could be made. Like Apex, and then just across it would be schemers and scammers. And earners and burners. Apex should. You know what Apex should do? This would be a troll at a different kind of level. But if someone gets put on probation, they should send them a t-shirt with the reason why they got put on probation, and then they can proudly wear it. It's like, hey, I'm officially a schemer and a scammer. I'm sorry, that's not funny. For those of you that are in probation, I'm sorry. But back to, I'm curious actually what you guys' thoughts are. The more I thought about it, I was having a discussion about this with a guy last night too. And it's regarding if the regulations are going to be looking at the percentage of users. So let's say someone has 5,000 or 10,000 users. If we're 5,000 users, a certain percentage of those users have to be on a live account. If that's the case, if that is how the regulations are going to look at this, oh, things are about to get interesting. Because the reason I say that is, if that is the case, then some of these, I don't know. I feel like there's definitely, if that's the case, banning people and people getting banned from prop firms is going to be a real thing. That is going to become a normal. That is like, if people don't follow the rules, they're just going to get banned. And because they need to either eliminate the bad that way so their percentages can line up. If that is the case, I don't have any concrete, solid information on that, but yeah. Maximus, exactly. If you had an approved payout, with FTT and then it got denied retroactively, you definitely, at the very least they could do at FTT is send you a t-shirt that says, we are getting played. We're getting paid or getting played. No, the t-shirt needs to say, everybody gets played. You think so, Trade Bum? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I always thought, I guess, yeah, I never thought about it that way. That, yeah, F thousands of traders, FTT. Firms can have a mix. Yeah, I agree. I think, yeah, I don't know how I feel. It's more just I think it's an interesting discussion to have, because I always kind of looked at it that prop firms are going to have to be able to show that a certain percentage of their income comes through live traders. But if a certain percentage of their users have to be on a live account, that is kind of a different sense. Like that makes things different. And it puts a different category of people that they are going to target to put to a live account. Otherwise, live accounts will get blown more often. The CME won't get any money. Yeah, but I don't think the CME cares. Or I don't think the CME cares if you get a live account and then blow it. I mean, let's be honest, they don't care. Same with prop firms. You know, if you get accounts and blow them, you won't. Most of them don't care. But if they just need to, they want to have at least a say that people aren't just only trading the sim accounts. Here's what I know. Here's what I know the CME definitely does not like. I know this for a fact. They are not happy that there are people getting paid over $1 million through a sim funded accounts with prop firms. I know for a fact that that is going to stop. They do not like that at all. And I think, yeah, those days are over. The days of getting $1 million plus out of a prop firm, those days are numbered, in my opinion. Wow, look at this, guys. We have put in the V shape, the 550s. I should do what I say. Man, remember when we were talking about, rewind the tape. I said 550 is going to be an area of support. And man, we bounced almost 100 points now off of that 550 level. It was really easy to see right here. It wasn't that difficult, but of course I did not take the trade. So if I don't take the trade, then I can't say I told you so. That's my, those are my standards. I am not like I said. Did you guys see ICT? Oh, our good friend and good buddy ICT. Oh, the poor guy. You gotta feel for the guy, man. Oh, you gotta feel for him. The poor guy is just having a rough time. It's actually funny. Yeah. Here he says, here, this is ICT. ICT tweeted saying, so I'm going to say what I told myself I didn't want to say publicly. He goes on, I find it odd for so long I have taught my concepts with pretty much no pushback from old friends. Oh, however, in 2024, I pulled back the veil. Oh, I need music. I need music to play with this, like dramatic music. I pulled back the veil and I started teaching what I never wanted to share with the public. Oh, you don't say. And then my audio starts acting up. Dun 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 dun. I replaced my microphones, my laptop, new audio gear, everything, but still I have issues. Dun, 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 dun. Then I cannot connect to YouTube to stream. And then today my computer gets locked in a malware attack. Oh man, the poor, and then it's like, my BANL account was hit for 7K and then later replaced by the FDIC. I don't even know what that means. At the risk of sounding lunatic fringe, at what point do you start to consider it hints for me to shut up? Sincerely asking, ICT. Oh man, it's just beautiful. The poor guy is he's lost it. He's just lost it. Look at this thing go. Wow. I mean, you talk about a V. If this isn't a V-shaped reversal move, I don't know what is, but man, we are now 100 points from the lows, 100-point move. We do have, I mean, this is just continuing to rip higher. Are we going to get above the 670s here and get above the VWAP? Unbelievable. How do I trade this V, Steve? I don't. I don't trade the Vs. V-shaped reversal moves for me in my strategy is like my art. That is my worst night. It's my nightmare. I hate V-shaped reversals. But yeah, ICT, I mean, it's just comical at this point. The poor guy, I actually think he actually sincerely is a little bit mental. I really do think he is. No one in their right mind says everything that they do. And here, we got to read some of the comments. Some of the comments are pretty funny. One of the comments was, where was the one comment that was very funny? Matt from My Funded Futures commented and said, "This is getting out of hand now." LOL. Somewhere I saw one of the comments was they said ICT, can you look out your window and just make sure there's no white vans coming? Make sure there's no white vans outside on your street. Oh, it's funny. But then on top of that, then he tweets, imagine, this was his next tweet. Imagine if the market could be timed to the minute and the tick. What would you think about that? Oh, man. I'm like, well, I would think then you would probably, Patrick Whelan's commented and said, imagine then you would probably win the Robbins Cup. Gotta say, that was pretty good. Hey, Rad Poker in the house. Where you been, Rad Poker? Haven't seen you in a couple days. You were you out there, and were you out and about? Were you cheating? Were you cheating on me? Huh? Yeah, design knob. Oh, it's just too funny. I mean, I wish I could know, like, I'm here's what I'm curious about ICT, like genuinely curious, because I'm not sure if, hey, did Patrick charge back the amount? No, he's not. No, he didn't. I got that. We got all that money. We're rich now. We are officially rich. Oh, man. Oh, you're tight. It's all good, Red Poker. No problems. He's been watching PW. So, I'm genuinely curious if ICT, like, if he actually believes the things that he says and tweets about. Like, do you think he actually, like, believes that? Like, is he actually that deranged that he truly believes that? Or is it more just he knows that this is what will get views and he knows that this is what will get clicks? So that's like what he goes with. Like, because it's one or the other. It's either one, he understands what he's doing, and a lot of this is just to, you know, rage bait people into continue talking about him. Or second, he actually believes what he's typing, which that's the scary part. Like, if he actually believes the things that he says and types, I mean, I'm dead serious. The guy needs help. The guy actually needs help. I feel bad for him. Yeah, patient trader. I would kind of, me personally, I think he actually believes the things he says. Like, that sounds crazy, but I think he actually buys it. But man, oh man, this market, is it going to get above this? This is going to be an important level right here. 670s, getting above this 670, 680 level. We have this prior high right here. If we get above it, this 670, 680 area is going to be very, very important. But if we rip through this, I mean, I don't see any reason we don't go test the overnight highs. But I mean, that's crazy. But if we get above this 670, 680s, if we get above this, then I'm going to look to take a long. We're going to go long, and I don't know. Right now, it looks like the shorts are trapped, and we want to go higher. Brian shut down the YouTube. Wait, what? What did I miss? Nutty, I just bought my very first eval VO. Let's go, VO. First of all, congratulations and good luck. Take it slow, take it easy. How you get my chart to look like this? I'm not sure that you can't. So this chart trader is a custom indicator from Affordable Indicators. It's kind of a long process to get your chart to look exactly like this. Just Google how to set up NinjaTrader. You'll just and then set it up from there. I don't have a video that shows exactly how I have everything set up. I should maybe do that, but I don't. I don't currently have that. All right, market is. Let's see what we do here. Are we going to get a move here above the 680s? Why do you think it's no longer possible to make millions with prop firms? I mean, I don't want to say that, but I think when because of regulation, I think when regulations step in, prop firms are going to have to take you to a live account. They're going to have to take you to a live account way before you get to that amount of money. Yeah, right. When regulation is coming, I don't know for sure. I think it's going to be here in the next 6 to 9 months, in my opinion. But like some people are freaking out about regulations. Regulations aren't going to like prop firms are still going to exist, and you're still going to be able to make good money with prop firms if you know how to trade. But you will definitely need to, it's going to change. It's definitely going to change. People are going to have to adapt. There's probably even going to be more rules that we still don't even know about, but we're just going to have to adapt. And, if they put too much regulations on it and it becomes too big of a hurdle, you know what? We're just going to have to learn how to trade the live markets. Just learn how to trade the live markets. That's just, it is what it is. But again, I don't know. I'm not gonna freak out about stuff that I don't know yet. Who will be regulating the regulating body? I mean, I hear a lot of people talk about the CME doesn't have any control or regulatory bodies, but I mean, there's different divisions that do, but I know that they're working with them, with the CME. Excuse me. Hey, Dad Nader, she's doing great. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. But yeah, she's doing much better. She's actually at the chiropractor as we speak, getting another treatment. Regulations won't happen, Mr. Pushup. Why would you? No, that's not. I mean, that's just not true. The regulations don't mind paying out on a sim account. They don't mind that, but there have to be limitations to it. Like you can't just continue and forever pay out people on the sim account. Like doing it for a portion or a certain amount is fine, but you know, the whole purpose of a prop firm is to find a profitable trader, and then once you do find it, you got to put them on a live account. Yeah, Jay. But honestly, I'm happy, or I'm encouraged that the CME is working with the prop firms to get their regulation. Like they're actually working with them in a sense of, okay, what, like, hey, this is what we want to see. And they're kind of working, you know, making sure what they're asking for. They don't, the CME doesn't want to eliminate prop firms at all, because the CME also sees what prop firms offer is new traders coming in and actually trading futures. And futures have gained a lot of popularity because of prop firms. And that part they like, okay? They like that the futures and the trading futures has become more popular, and they're you know, they want to keep that part of it. You know, they just want their cut of it. They just want to make sure that people are being guided to being on an actual live account, and that it's not just an endless cycle of being in a sim environment. That's the key. And that's why you're going to start, you know, that's why you hear a lot more prop firms talking about, you know, the cycle of getting payouts and starting over in that process, where they don't like that part is what they don't want. But you're still going to have it to a certain degree. Hey, nice done, Phil. Nicely done. CME provides the data with it. Without it, the prop firms couldn't exist. Yeah, exactly. Will we be having another duck race? Yeah, we will definitely have a duck race at some point today. All right, market. We have not pulled back that much, so this makes me think we are going to rip through this. It's just a matter of time. Let's see if we can get above that 680. If we can get above the 680s, this is where I always am so tempted to buy these breakouts, but I also know better. Most breakouts do fail, but there we go. Testing that 680. Let's see if she can do it. There we go. 680's touched. Now let's see if we continue through it. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Good morning. How we doing? Could prop firms rebrand and call themselves trading or training firms and then keep the same type of payout structure they currently have? Neil, I mean, I doubt it. I mean, I doubt the name is going to affect the way they're going to look at them. I doubt it. But that's a thought. When do you think Apex will do a 90% off sale again, Viter? I mean, I'd have no idea. Probably, I think 90% sales are, I don't know if they're going to come back or not, to be honest. Apex has always had a lot of issues when they do those kind of sales. Too many issues with rhythmic, too many issues with rhythmic outages and all that, that it's just become to the point where it's just not worth doing it. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street. I agree. That's why I always say, like, I mean, that's why I feel, I mean, if you have problems with Apex's current rules regarding risk management, then, I mean, if you compare the rules, there's a couple different ways to look at it, but if you're just comparing it to other prop firms, then yeah, maybe the rules are too tight and it might not be attractive for you. But if you're looking to trade profitably, then following those rules should not be a problem. If I've tried my funded futures, I have not consistent trader. It's kind of weird actually, because I don't know why. Like, I have nothing against my funded futures. I've never tried them. But so here, like so obviously I'm trading with Apex, and with Apex we have a consistency rule. So I have a consistency rule with Apex, with my Apex accounts. So when I'm looking to diversify and trade other prop firms, any prop firm with a consistency rule, I'm immediately not interested, because I'm trying to diversify. Like, I already have my prop firm with a consistency rule and I can have 20 accounts. So I don't want another, maybe this is a bad way of looking at it, but I'm trying to diversify into where I can trade a different kind of strategy on other prop firms. So I'm only kind of looking at it. I'm only interested in prop firms that don't have a consistency rule, like Take Profit Trader. Obviously, Top Step is the one that I've had the most success with recently, but now also You Profit, the zero account. Unless maybe I'm not even aware. Does My Funded Futures offer a plan? Wow, look at that, guys. We are ripping up through that 80s. Wow. Okay, we just need to we just need to wait, get a pullback, and we are gonna jump in here. What a massive V-shaped reversal move. Crazy, man. Now we need to be patient. Let me look. Does Apex still require you to show video executions of payout, Corgi? No. I mean, the whole video asking for video recordings was literally like in August they had a targeted audience group of traders that they were suspicious that they were not the ones trading their accounts, and they literally asked for video proof in that time frame. And since, I don't know that they've ever asked for another video of anyone, but I mean, I might be wrong, but I don't think so. Trading milestone is instant funded like FTT. Okay. I mean, I need to look into it more, but if you guys can just tell me, like, does my fund of future have a, like, do they have consistency rules? That's what I thought. Like, they have the 20% consistency. Like, the only, okay, here's how I look at it. Let's say 6 months from now. Okay, let's just hypothetically. Let's say hypothetically 6 months from now, I have shown that I can be consistent and that I can consistently get payouts with Apex in trading this strategy. And just basically looking for base hits and basically, you know, follow the risk parameters, following the base hit mentality, and, you know, basically where I'm not concerned about a consistency rule, because I'm never looking to push these accounts that hard. So then it would make sense maybe to just add more prop firms to it and just copy trade them. But I don't know. I mean, I can have 20 accounts with Apex. Is it really necessary to have another, like, that many more? I mean, I guess if you can be consistently profitable, then I guess it would be fun. 6 months from now, we'll be copy trading 120 accounts. We'll just have every single prop firm known to man, and we'll copy trade all of them. We'll have, well, I won't do FTT. We can't go that low. We actually need prop firms that pay out. But we could have my funded future. We could have 5 Top Step accounts. We can have 20 Apex accounts. We could slowly build up to where we could have 10 Buellnox accounts. Who else is there? Who am I missing? Who am I missing? Here, let's actually count. Like, I'm legit actually want to know. Okay, so we could have 20 Apex. We could have 20 Top Step. We could have 3 U Profit Zero accounts. FTT pays. I got 4 payments from them. SK. Please do not. Okay, whatever. There's way more people that didn't get paid, so I don't want to hear that BS. Okay, so we can have 3 My Fund of Futures. What am I missing? Help me out here, guys. Savin Tradeify. Oh, really? Okay, so Savin Tradeify. Keep them coming. What else? I can have 10, right? Can you have 10 Buellnox, but you have to build into it? Like, you'd have to get them above the buffer. Is it 10? Is it maxed out at 10 then? Or is it 20? Oh, earned a trade, you can have 3. You can have 11. Oh my gosh, you guys are insane. Okay, you can have 11. Okay. 5 take profit accounts. Thank you. Can you have 5 Top Step 150s? Yes. Blue Sky. Okay, we got it. I don't know how. I feel like those are the main ones. Okay, 11 Buellnox. I got 11 Buellnox. See that? Okay, I'm not really interested in like the ones that are just new, like profit trade. I don't know, flexi trade. Nah, I don't know that I'd trust those guys at all. I don't think I would trust them, but I guess we could. I have the 3 MF. I have 3 My Fund of Futures. I got that. Yeah, FIDA. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I think that's the main ones. I think we got. I should have tracked it. I should have wrote it down. But if I counted correctly, everything, we could have 57. I'm at 57. So we could have 57 funded accounts. That is crazy, though. That would be actually a fun challenge. That would actually be kind of an OP strat. Well, the way we'd have to do it with Ninja Trader is we would have to get, that would be the other problem, is we might have to switch to Quant Tower to do that. Ugh, I hate that thought. We might have to switch to Quant Tower to do that. Why we know buy dip? I'm waiting for a good entry here. I want this to come. I mean, I don't want to buy yet. It's not time. It's not time yet. Yeah, and then I'll have 57 accounts copy trading, and then the copy trader will just completely mess up, and we will blow 57 accounts in one day. A new world record. Stop stealing my strategy. I think I figured I could get 70 accounts. No way. That is insane, though. Do you know what happens if you go live with Top Step, trade with them for a while, and then close the live account? I don't know, Maximus, but we're about to find out. Stay tuned. I'm getting my live account in the next couple days, and then I need 8 more traded days. I need to trade profit of like a $200 profit day for 8 more days. Then I can withdraw the full amount. Don't tell them, but I might do that. And then I guess we'll find out. We'll find out if they like that or not. You can get 2 accounts with trade with what's a teeny. Yeah, we ain't doing that. If we were really degenerates, like complete degenerates, that we would go with 20 more of the flexi trade accounts, and you would go with FTT, which please don't do that. You could literally do 100 accounts. Literally. You could have 100 funded accounts. That is insane. We can make a new series, a new YouTube series. You know it would go well. You know it would get a lot of views. You could do a new YouTube series, and the challenge of the series would be getting 100 funded accounts. Does Flexi not pay out, Jeff C? I don't know. I honestly, yeah. Here's the thing. Everyone asks if funded accounts pay out. Even the new accounts, like FTT is a perfect example. Just because a prop firm pays out like the first week doesn't all of a sudden make everything reputable. Like, don't take someone's one payout, especially an influencer. Okay? I'm going to call myself out here, but this is very true. Do not take an influencer's word on as far as like, okay, perfect example is FTT. Hey, well, I'm going to get an account with FTT and see if I get paid out. And then I get paid out, and then you're like, oh, they must be legit because they paid out one person. That's an influencer on YouTube. Like, that does not mean anything. It really doesn't. It don't mean nothing. I mean, look at FTT. They keep paying out Kyle. They keep paying out Kyle, and you know, does that mean they're legit? I guess you be the judge. You be the judge. But just because a prop firm pays out, but then if they deny approved payouts over $10 million of approved payouts, I don't know, man. That might be a red flag. Especially when they literally admitted that, hey, I promise. They promise, guys. Pinky swear, I will not rug pull your payouts again. Until the end of time. I think that is the craziest thing I have ever heard. And the reason it's so crazy is because it's so crazy because he said that and people are still buying accounts. That is what is crazy. not that he said it. I mean, it is crazy that he said it, but what makes it even crazier is the fact that people heard that, and they're like, yeah, it's fine. I think this time I'll believe him. It's like, oh my gosh. This time will be different. And I'm sure there will now, I'm sure FTT will now still, they'll pay out people again until they run out of money. When they run out of money, then it'll be like, whoops, my bad. Sometimes you have to touch the hot stove to learn. That's true. That's true. Apex claiming their rules are because of regulations, but if that's so, why don't they change evals to pick real traders out? Because evals we all know this, Inspire Guilty. I think that's a fair question, but we all know this. Evals are not there to assess a trader. And Apex has said as much. Apex has said the evals are literally there to make sure someone can press a button. The evals are there to make sure someone knows how to click buy and sell. That's it. The evals are not there to evaluate a trader and if they can be profitable. Let's be honest. It's the same way with Top Step. If that's the case, then why wouldn't Top Step just move you directly to a live account once you pass a test account? That just ain't gonna happen. But it's a fair question. But yeah, real props like SMB, we're not talking the same thing here. Like real props, brick and mortar prop firms, you can't compare that to the online prop firms. It actually should be called something completely different, because a lot of people will like compare the two, and it's not even a comparison. Hey, Norman, no, I have not made any trades. Right here, this is getting very close. Like right here, we could take this trade. But to be honest, I'm not going to do it. I hate taking my entry when we're this close to the previous high. I would rather wait. Hopefully this pulls back a little more and then we get a better entry. We just got to wait. We got to be patient. No consistency rules on real props. But again, Inspire Guilty, once you make it into a live account, there's no consistency rules either. But I think Inspire Guilty, like you're comparing the wrong thing. Like if you want to compare basically what happens on the prop firms that we trade, you have a live sim environment that you can actually get paid out on. Okay? Whereas the brick and mortar prop firms don't have that. But there's some sacrifices that are made then. If you do that, you're getting a 50-50 profit split on those brick and mortar prop firms as well. Well, guess why that is? Because they are going to have to make their money somehow, and you're basically going to have to split 50% of your profits because you bypass that stage. With a with an online prop firm, that sim funded account is kind of what is actually used to evaluate traders. And that is where the evaluation actually happens. The difference is you can just get paid out in that stage, which is why then in the live account, you can get a 90-10s profit split. It's just, there's such a big difference between the two that it's kind of hard to compare the two because they're so different, and they kind of, it's just so different because online prop firms in the live sim funded account stage, it's basically, they make it harder for you. And they put restrictions on you because obviously they have to protect their upside, and they have to protect and then move you into an actual live account at some point. Exactly, Inspire Guilty. The consistency rules make it harder to be profitable. And it does a couple things. And I've always said the prop firms that don't have consistency rules have other things. So it makes a big difference, and it's just a matter of, hey, would you rather have this or this? For example, you're never going to find an online prop firm with no consistency rules that allows 20 accounts. Not going to happen, because their upside would be way too exposed. It just wouldn't financially make sense to do it. But does that mean that you can't make money with a consistency rule? No, it doesn't. Like, you just have to then trade differently. You have to adapt to those rules and be willing to, follow those rules, and then you'll be fine. If you feel like you can't do that, then obviously, then you need to look at, trade a prop firm that you can do that. But there's rhyme and reason to it's rhyme and reason to everything that these online prop firms do. Let's just say they're not a charity organization. Okay. These online prop firms have obviously make money, and they make money off of you and me. They make money off of fees, and that is the reality of it. And we're okay with it. I mean, that's how it goes in the real market. The real market gets its money from the bad traders. It's the same way with prop firms. The good traders get the fees from the bad traders. It's literally the same thing, but in a different environment. But it's still the same concept. Man, this market's got me, here's what I don't want. I want this to just continue going sideways. I do not want another V-shaped reversal here. Do you work for Apex? No, I do not. Why do I talk about them all day? I mean, I don't think I talk about them all day long, but obviously I trade with them and I'm affiliated with them. So, I mean, maybe that's why. But no, I'm not employed in any way by Apex, contrary to what a lot of people think. Just because, I don't know. I feel like sometimes I get punished for caring a little bit too much. Like, I want to know things that I can pass on to you guys, and it really irritates me, like, from Apex's side. Like, I get really annoyed by Apex and the lack of communication. Like, because sometimes I feel like I am Apex help center. Like, I'm literally, I think sometimes I'm Apex help center better than Apex's help center, which it shouldn't be that way. It's not like I want that to be. It's not like I enjoy, like, it's not like I wish it wouldn't be like that. But at the same time, I want to do my best to help traders that have questions. Like, if they have questions and I can help, then I want to help. And if I can use my contacts at Apex to try to get questions answered for people that genuinely want to know, I'm going to do that. And, when I do that, then people say, oh, you're an employee by Apex. So whatever. I don't really care. But I'm an affiliate and I get paid when someone uses my code. And outside of that, I get zero. I get no free accounts. I get treated no differently. I get zero money outside of someone using my code. I believe prop firms help people stay in the game and gain experience. Yeah, I 100% agree. Inspire Guilty. I think so too. I think it's just like there's a happy medium there, because Some people, like we as traders for prop firms, and I'm no different. I'm even doing it right now where I'm actually in a live account with Top Step, but it doesn't make sense to stay in it. It really doesn't. And I think that is going to change, but until it changes, I don't know. I just don't see the benefit of trading a live account with a prop firm. I really don't. Have you been golfing lately? Not recently, no. I want to. As soon as I get to Florida and settled in, I need to get back and get on top of my golf game. I haven't been golfing as much lately. I'm worried this market's going to roll over. It's doing like one of those, it just appears like it's about to do one of those just slow grinding lower. I hate that kind of market. But let's wait and see. I was hoping we would continue higher. Yeah, I agree. Some influencers says they have a better discount evals than us. Oh, really? Aluitosin? That's definitely not the case. Not for me anyway. I mean, okay. Never mind. I'm not going to say it. But okay, no, I can say this. I know for a fact that Apex doesn't offer free accounts to anyone, any influencer that is out there, any affiliate. That is something that Apex does not do. They do not offer free accounts. Everyone's got to pay for them the exact same way, and there are no special discounts. I surpassed 750 profit. I'm at 1800 for the day. How does this affect my account? Be aware. Wait, so you surpassed 750 profit. Are you saying you're at 1800 total for the day? Oh, okay. That's really cool, Inspire Guilty. But that's a perfect example. Like the prop firms allow us to learn with a lower tuition cost is how I look at it. Like prop firms allow us to learn how to trade at a lower tuition versus if we start and have a real account, which I think is why people are getting into futures a lot more, because it's like if you had to do it with your own money, we wouldn't survive, we wouldn't survive. It would be a bloodbath. It would be a bloodbath. I tried to take a loss, but you were not able. Here's the thing, beware. Don't do the loss thing, especially on Apex, because if you purposely lose now you're violating that drawdown. It doesn't make sense. Basically, if you're at 1800 in profit, then that just means you need to get the account to 6,000 in profit total, and then you'll be below that 30% consistency rule, and then you'll be okay. I would much rather you do that way than try to lose money now. I just don't think it makes sense. Just continue trading, and even if it takes you longer to get to that profit threshold, it makes sense to do it. Oh my gosh, Inspire Guilty. Exactly. Losing 10,000 of your own live money is on a whole different level than even blowing 10 PA accounts. Like, even if you have a funded account with 10,000 in profit in it, if you blow that account, that is still a way different feeling than blowing an actual $10,000 live account. Even though kind of virtually they might seem the same, they're a lot different because I've done the latter. I had $11,000 account that I blew in literally 3 minutes. It was the worst experience. Oh my God, it was so bad. And look at this. We have officially started to roll over, and now I'm not sure what to do. But I don't like it. This could, I mean, I don't know what to do here. Do we actually look at taking a short now? I feel like that's the move. I feel like we need to look at a short because we never, I mean, we did make it above the 680s, but not really. And I just don't want to be, I don't feel good about a long anymore at all. Why, if we use our money, we would not survive? Because unless you have unlimited funds, or look at it this way, if you have $10,000, let's say that you want to start to learn how to trade. If you're a new guy, you're new and you've officially made the commitment that you want to learn how to trade, and you want to learn how to day trade futures. You have a couple options. You could take that $10,000, put it in a personal account, and try to learn that way. Okay? According statistically, you will fail. Okay? Versus, okay, go with a prop firm that you like, whoever that is, and invest it that way, like starting out slow. I think your return on money will be way higher with a prop firm, and your risk of ruin will be way lower if you use prop firms. That's just my opinion. I might be wrong, but that's my opinion. All right, we're down at the pivot point at the 630s here. What if we just rip this thing straight back up? Daryl, it's no fun. Exactly. I've done both, punched the same pillow each time, Trader JMP. Right, Inspire. Exactly. For example, for me, like a perfect example is me. Last year, I went a whole year without a payout. Like, I wouldn't have had enough funds to be able to sustain that if I was doing that on an actual live account, in my opinion. What is the best broker to put 10K, Hazel? I don't know. I don't have a good, I haven't done enough research to know that. Yeah. 33,000 to trade one NQ contract overnight. Yeah, don't do FTT as your first prop firm. Yeah, I agree, Inspire Guilty. Yeah, the broker isn't going to make that big of an impact. Man, I think I'm going to look for a short here if we get a good pullback in an entry. It's just got the makings of a big, like, I don't know. I just don't. I think this thing could roll over all the way down. What time is it? 10:55. Okay. Hey, Traderist Chick. Thanks for checking. She's doing way better. She got a chiropractor treatment yesterday and getting another one this morning. Actually, she should be done by now. But that really helped. And the drugs helped as well. Why leave the trade on overnight? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, Amelia, but I wonder what the futures, I wonder what the margin requirements are going to be for trading the overnight session on election night. I wonder what those are going to be, because that's going to be insane. That is going to be insanity. Okay, we're getting that pump, getting that move higher right off the pivot point. What happened to my wife? Oh, she woke up last night or yesterday morning with a really bad pinched nerve in her back. And we thought I gave her a massage in the morning, and we kind of thought it was better, but then yeah, I mean, you can see how my stream ended yesterday. That was my wife calling, and just she was in so much pain, and I had to end stream really abruptly, and that was not fun. She was in a lot of pain. Pinched nerves are one of the most painful and annoying. Like, the pinched nerves are like, they're not only really painful, but they're annoyingly painful, if that makes sense. It's not a fun time. A Nutty gave her a migraine. Hey, I'm not going to say I have not done that in the past. I'm pretty sure I have been the cause. I've probably been the cause for giving my wife numerous migraines in the past. I do not think I was the cause for the pinched nerve, though. I don't think I was. So, do not hold me accountable. I did nothing. All right. Okay, market. Let's see, boys. Oh, dear. What do I want to do here? Is a temporary? If we do rip down below this, this is one of those trades where I would almost rather not get filled. How do I put this on my chart? This is a indicator from Affordable Indicators. There's a link in the description, I think. But it's the basic chart trader from Affordable Indicators. It's really nice. I need to do a video. I really do. Affordable Indicators, Joel. I'm sure some of you know Joel. But Affordable Indicators also has a YouTube channel. So shout out to him. Man, I hope I got his name right. I'm pretty sure his name is Joel. But Affordable Indicators, like, that guy is top-notch customer service, and he really does a lot of great things. And he asked me to do a video. Maybe once I'm in Florida and I have more time, I will do that. But there are definitely a couple things, like, basically my video is going to be indicators I can't live without. I mean, technically I could, but all right. We might get filled here. If we do, we do. But one of them is this chart trader. I love the chart trader and how I can move my stops and, like, everything the way it is. I really do like that. And then the other thing that I really couldn't make without is this account dashboard. Like, this account dashboard that shows my drawdown and calculates, totals all the P&L, everything here. That I wouldn't do without. What do I mean? I would rather not get it filled. Don't place the order then. You have to understand, I'm following my rules and I'm following my entries. So if we get filled, and we take the trade. But it's one of those entries where I feel not like 100% confident in. But as I say that, we get filled. So here we go. We are in. We are in. All right, just need some follow through here. Don't give me a wick test. Don't give me a wick. We just need some nice continuation to the downside. Rip it lower. If he dies, he dies. Oh, really, Inspire Guilty? Yeah, that's not fun. All right, we're going to have to... We need some more follow through here on the downside. Jangle Boy. You said earlier that being in a live account isn't worth it for you. Can you elaborate? I'm just looking at it from a perspective of the profit split and the tax benefits on actually trading a live account with a prop firm. So if you go to an actual live account on a prop firm, there are tax benefits to just going on your own, like basically just withdrawing that money, taking it into your own live account. Or, you know, you also have a tax, you have to split your profits. You have to, basically it's around 25%. It's around 25% that you sacrifice if you choose to trade a live account with a prop firm versus just trading your own live account. It's about a 25% difference. Oh dear, this is not looking good. We might have, I'm perfectly, my stop loss, I should give it a little more room here, but if we rip above this, then we were wrong and we will take our loss. That's the key. We will accept the loss. We'll take it like a man. MFF, wait. Yeah, you would know. If you go to a live account, you will definitely know. You will get different paperwork to sign and all kinds of different things that happen if you go to an actual live account. Hey, how we doing, Danny boy? We're chilling. We're right now kind of hoping the market goes lower, you know? And it is not wanting to participate. The market is not wanting to listen. Yeah, man. Just rip it lower. Rip it. Do it. Do it. The live on taxes is better. Yes, it is. You save about 15% on taxes, and then you also don't have to share 10% of your profits. So that's how I come up with the 25%. Relatively, I guess. Come on, market. It's not wanting to. It's not wanting to go lower. I can just feel it. True, you do have to pay the monthly data fee. Oh, really, Danny boy? Oh, man, I'm sorry. When you go live, don't you have to pay that professional CME fee? Yes, you do. I think it was $135. Yeah, no self-employment taxes. How much taxes on a live? I mean, I don't even know like the exact numbers, so, but I know it's a savings. You're planning to open a personal with your payouts and just add that to your copier. Nice, Jangle boy. That's awesome. I wish you much luck. Come on, market. You know you want to go lower. Just do it already. There we go. Rip it or flush it. Flush it lower. Big flush lower right here. It's got to go. It's got to go right here. Right now. I'm not even joking. If it doesn't go right here, every bone in my body wants to close this trade. Come on. Come on. You kidding me? Come on, just do it. Flush it. Oh my gosh. Never mind. It's not going to do it. My entry is officially support. My entry is support right now. Okay, boom. Go, 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 go. Come on. Why did it not fill me right there? That should have filled me. That was... Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, first one filled. Now, we're going to get a little bit wild with this runner, but we're also going to be careful. It's just, is it really going to just rip now? Hey, at least we got filled. At least we got filled on that. I'm going to have my stop right here. Come on. There's zero follow through here. Actually, no follow through whatsoever. Oh, man. It's going to do us dirty. Actually, this is okay. I'm actually totally fine with this. If I didn't get filled right here and now it would be doing this, I would feel completely different. I would be I would be pretty upset, but I'm going to keep my stop right here where it is. If we get stopped out, I don't even know. It'll be a small loss, but nothing major. We're about to make all-time highs here. Okay, Crepicity. Hey, I hope you trade accordingly. Yeah, election time trading is going to be wild. I think it's going to start on Monday. Like Monday's trading session, I think is going to be pretty crazy. Tuesday's trading session is going to be even crazier. And then Tuesday night is going to be the ultimate crazy. Like Tuesday night is going to be... I want to stream. I want to stream Tuesday night because that's going to be crazy. I'm not sure I'm going to trade. Actually, maybe we'll try to pass. I want to pass six. I want to pass 6 more 50K accounts. So we might try to pass 6 50K accounts on Tuesday night. That would actually not be a terrible. That wouldn't be a terrible plan. Maybe we'll do that. Election, yeah, if the election is really close, like if there's no clear winner, I think that would be the worst case scenario, honestly. Obviously, I am not here to get political. Okay, so let's not do that. I do not. Was one thing I have found to be very, very true is the only people, like, no one cares how you feel about, like, how do I say this correctly? It's very seldom that someone cares what someone else's belief is politically. Like how you feel about your own political things is just irrelevant. People don't care. People don't want to know. People have their own assumption. People have, oh, we're making new lows. Let's go. Come on. Let's get that. Let's just dump this thing. Come on. You can do it. Rip it lower. Come on. Just rip right through the 620s here. The 620s, I think, is going to be the biggest hurdle. Let's rip right through these 620s. Go, baby, go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, yes. Oh. I'm going to try to trail this. I'm going to try to trail this. No, trade bum. What happened? Oh, I see. Come on. Let's just see a continuation here. I mean, if we could, I mean, I would be totally happy with just taking profits all the way down here to the 550s. I doubt that will happen, but if we get a really nice continuation here, I mean, I'm all for it. And as I say that, we'll probably get stopped out for break even, but whatever. Come on, flush it. Just a big rip lower here. Do it. As soon as this candle closes, I will move my stop to just above this candle if it closes lower. Come on, flush it. I wish it was flushing a little bit harder. Of course. Come on, I really want this candle to make a new low. I would feel way better about this. There we go. Come on, push it. Go, baby, go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Give me new lows. Come on. All right, well, just wait. Hey, Empire Steve. Hey, Empire Steve, how we doing? I appreciate that. We're chilling. We are chilling. Come on, need this thing to flush. If this flushes, we're just gonna trail it. We're gonna trail this thing as long as we can. Come on, new lows right here. Let's go. How you been doing, Empire Steve? How's it been going? Okay, come on. Yes, let's go. New lows. Come on, push it. Rip it down through the 600s. This is where it starts to get, like, I have a hard time getting a really nice runner because at this point of my trade, I'm like, you know what? I kind of just want to get out because I'm happy. I'm happy with my profit right here, so I just want to get out. And, of course, now it's going to rip higher. Hang on, I got to take this call. It's the wife. All right, guys. I I have to go check something for the wife. She needs something. I'm going to trust this trade is going to... Actually, we're fine. If we get stopped out here, it's totally fine. But it would be pretty cool if you guys could just keep the market going lower until I come back. All right? I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, no. Did we get shot in the tick? Okay, this is a educational moment right here. Do you guys see how it looks? This appears like I'm in an open trade, but I'm actually not. Oh, man. That sucks. Here, but this is actually not an open trade. Just watch. All I have to do is place an order above or below. Buy stop, sell stop order. See? It was never a position. It's an issue with NinjaTrader. And it creates these phantom positions. And it's very annoying. Oh, man. You kidding me that we just got... Oh, that's unfortunate. Well, now we just wait. We might get another entry here, so not all is lost. We might get another entry. Yeah, it only happens with Rhythmic on NinjaTrader. Oh, I see. Women are expensive. I'm going to call my wife and I'm going to tell her that nah, hang on. She wanted me to check to see if we have a certain size pan. She needed to know if we have a certain size pan. I'm like, I'll tell her next time. Next time, just go buy the pan regardless. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's okay. Honey, you cost me $1,000. She's like, huh? All right, it's okay. It looks like the stop was in the right place, but I don't even want to know how much I was up. How much was I up at the most? I don't even want to know, do I? What was the what was this price? 609s. Oh man, that's rough. We were up 160, 170 bucks. Are you kidding me? That actually did cost us about $1,000 for real. Oh yeah. That's rough. That is rough, man. I shouldn't have looked. I should not have looked at that. That was a bad idea. But we all know, let's all be honest here. We all know I wouldn't have taken my profit right here. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. I would have probably taken my profit maybe like here. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, now we need to decide. We could have another entry here. Whoa, what was that? What was that? I mean, that thing just snapped 10 points. Like, did Trump tweet something? I'm just kidding. Oh man, Patrick Wieland. Patrick. That guy is something else. But I do have to say, I want to say this. I will say this. I lost quite a bit of respect for Rips. And the whole situation with, like, yeah, not a fan. Now, like, Rips was, Rips and Patrick were going at it, and Rips was, and I felt like, kind of rightfully so, or he had a valid point of calling out Patrick and not showing all his trades. We all know happens at sometimes, and he was kind of calling that out. But now, the last 2 days, Rips has had big red days, and now he deletes the VOD. Like, what are we doing here, guys? Why do people do this? It's crazy. Just be honest. I don't know. It drives me crazy when people do that. Or here's what I don't like. Like, it's just, I don't know. I guess I maybe just need to stay in my lane. I know, I get told that a lot. Just stay in your lane, mind your own business. But you know what? I don't know how to do that. But when you start seeing someone, especially, I look at it differently. If they're selling courses, I hold them to a higher standard. Okay? I do. I hold them to a higher standard if they're selling courses, because people are going to buy those courses based off of if they think you're a good trader or not. So then if people are deleting VODs and not showing their entries and not showing all of their trades. I mean, it's just, I don't know. I don't like that. Hang on. And we're back. Whoa, she's ripping this thing higher. Okay. This was a great stop out. This was a great stop out. Wow, what a rip higher. Crazy. What were we talking about? Yeah. Exactly, John. He was a used car salesman. Yeah, exactly, Black Coffee. It's painful, but you need to be honest to retain credibility. Exactly. Like what I don't like about it is like it just annoys me. It just really annoys me when you have people selling courses, but then when they have a red day, they delete the VOD. Like it that to me, like why? Why are you deleting VODs that when you have red days? I mean, it's just, and the problem is most people are none the wiser. Most people are none the wiser, and they go look at their YouTube channel and, oh, wow, you know, every day they've just green, nothing but green. And they're like, wow, now this is a guy that must know what he's doing. Oh, he's selling a course? Oh, great. You know, we have what? Let me just count. Like, and the thing is, like, they will show a red day. They will show a red day every now and then because they know that it's impossible to just have green days. But they're not showing all the red days, but they'll sprinkle a couple in. They'll just sprinkle a couple of them in there to kind of make it appear like everything's legit. But in reality, they're not showing you nearly everything. If you want to do that and you're not selling a course, I mean, I don't care. I think it's still pretty pathetic. But if you're doing that and selling a course, I mean, you just I'm out. Yeah, exactly, John. And then usually they're also very cocky about it. And it's just so my thing I would want to tell them is like, dude, it's okay. We all have red days. Don't be like, it's okay. Don't pretend like you're any better. Don't pretend like you're this great thing. You know, just anyway, that's my rant of the day. I will now proceed. But we need to look at this thing differently now. This market, honestly, I don't really know. I feel pretty fortunate to we caught a little bit of this move. Could have caught a lot more of it. Market only goes higher. Oh, I kill it with red days. No trading ever after. Don't no. Oh man, these shorts, we definitely got trapped right here, and this thing is now just no mercy. No mercy at all. But if we get back above the 700s, then we need to probably look at taking a long. Rips had 31 blown XFAs in the first 20 days of October, Peter. again, like, I don't even care. Like, if he would show all of that and be honest about it, I wouldn't even care. Like, that's the thing. Like, we all blow accounts. It's just when it's just what annoys me is when they pretend like it doesn't happen and that they're this, that's what annoys me. Because we all struggle. No one's perfect here. But you know what I have never done is delete a VOD because I had a red day. If I ever do that, please all unsubscribe. Just everyone unsubscribe. Unsubscribe so I get the hint. Yeah, Matt G. Yep. What is a VOD? It's a video. They're live video streams. The live video streams. So they stream live. So just so you, Matt G, so in case you don't know, so they live stream. Okay. The other red flag is don't ever believe anyone. Like, I'm dead serious when I say this. Don't ever believe anyone that is trying to sell you something that doesn't trade live. Okay? Don't believe him. Just as a whole, across the board, take it. That will save you the most amount of money is never believe someone that doesn't trade live. Yeah, video on demand. There you go. Thank you, Trader's Chick. PW is still not showing entries on stream. Oh, I know. I mean, that's not going to change. We all know that ain't going to change. But again, like, at least of recently, I have a little more respect for Patrick than I do for Rips. Like, at least Patrick now is actually getting some payouts. So before, at least of recently, now that might change, but you also have to take into account that he had to go, supposedly this is directly what Patrick said, but he spent $300,000 on XFA fees and test fees from Top Step, just to get to that top 25 board. That's insane. I mean, obviously he can afford to do it, so he can do that, but it should be a little asterisk behind that. That's pretty crazy, man. Okay, market, what are you trying to tell me? I think the market's trying to tell me I should go start packing. The market's trying to tell me that I should start packing for Florida. That's what it feels like. Yeah, payouts. He has over 1,000 PA accounts. Again, that's what I mean. Like, hey, it just doesn't. That's it. He's playing in a different ball game than what we're playing. Okay. Me and you, like, even me, like, I have what, 200 PA accounts, and that's over a 2-year span. So he has 1,000 over a span of 10 months. We're not playing the same game here. We're not playing the same game. But yeah, I do agree, Spire Guilty. For the most part, Patrick Wieland is pretty honest about that he makes most of his money, not from actually trading. What I wish, like, if I could be critical of Patrick, is just the fact, show all your trades. That's what I would say. Or just be consistent. Like, be consistent about showing. No, let me put it this way. If you want to show your entry or your exit, show your entry as well. Like, show the trade as a whole Show when you enter and show when you get out. Don't just show when you get out, because like that's what's happening. Like if you don't want to show every single trade, that's fine. You're trading a lot of accounts, you know. I don't like that's fine. I'm saying like show your entry and your exit for what you want to share, because a lot of times we all know, we've all seen it, you know, we've all seen it where it's like, hey, all of a sudden, look at this. I'm up X amount of dollars and I'm just about ready to take profit. Look at how great of a trader I am. And then you see the trade. Anyway, but again, these are just my opinions, of course. Like this is my opinion. I've also come to realize and accept the fact that each one can do as they please. I don't, obviously, this is again, now it's just my opinion. They can trade however they want to trade. They can delete the VODs and however many VODs they want to delete. They can all do that, but don't claim then to be transparent. Oh, this market's going to give me a headache. Is this how it's going to be for trading now, from now until election? I feel like this might be kind of what happens around election time. We just big moves, really just no, I don't know. Hey, good morning, Hamza. Let's go. Nicely done. Very true, Hamza. I appreciate that. Very true. I never blew to just give me 50K and I'll show you how to do that too. Yeah, patient trader. Kevin B. TBM deletes his streams. Yeah, I know. I don't even know if he does. See, like, yeah, I mean, if I'm being honest, I'm not a big fan of how Trades by Matt is doing things right now either. Like, he used to show his accounts. He used to show his account balances from day to day. And I really appreciate that. Like, I appreciated how Trades by Matt would show his account balances, like on his recaps or even during his live stream, from one day to the next day to the next day. Show the balance, show the accounts from day to day. And now it's nothing. It's just you get a recap of if he had a green day or a red day, but you have no idea. At least I don't think so, unless I might have missed something, but a part of that is also, I think this is also where, because I feel like when he got his large payouts, like he got over 300,000 in payouts from Apex earlier in the year. I feel like he did share everything pretty much. I mean, maybe some things not, but I know there were some trades off stream. But as far as showing the account balance from day to day, like he did do that, but then he still got a lot of hate for it and a lot of people that questioned the payouts and etc. And I think, at some point they just, a lot of people just don't care, and then they just stop showing anything because I don't know, it seems like it's easier, which is sad. Man, do I want to take this? All right, we're just looking for a scalp, kind of. If we can retest these highs, that'd be sweet. I'd be totally down for that. All right, just, I don't know. Just get me in, get me out. I'll take it. Not a big win. This is more of just a scalp. If worry like this right here at the 15-minute opening range, and we're right here at VWAP, why wasn't I mean I'm just gonna take the money. I'm gonna take the money and run. I'll take the money and run. Hey, Joseph Williams, you're 856 across my PAs. Let's go, Joseph Williams. That's awesome. Let's go. Some truth with Apex changing the buffer helps them keep money and less to pay out. More chances for clients to blow up accounts. Yeah, you're not wrong, David. I don't disagree. That's very, I mean, those are just facts. Like I said, I wasn't I mean, I can see both sides. Like, Apex obviously is claiming, and they are very passionate about it, because what you said to me, David, I literally said the exact same thing to John. Like, when he was talking about doing a safety net, I'm like, we all know that you doing this will save payouts. But, you know, his argument was, we have to do something to prevent people from just earning and burning and getting the $2,000. Like, everyone uses a 50K account, get it to 2,600, take out 2,000, and then, you know, and then blow the account and then repeat it again. And his argument is they have to stop that type of behavior. That is not what they're looking for, because they do have to, like, or he mentioned, like, you can't take those kind of traders to a live account. Okay. That was his argument, that you can't take those kind of traders to a live account. And then you also can't just continuously have someone doing that in the live sim account. Like, it's just not realistic. So I don't know. I get both sides. I think part of it is so that people don't earn and burn as much. And I think it definitely will cause people to blow up accounts. But I do like the fact, because they did change some things to where you can actually take, because my big argument was, at least let them at least take a little bit out, because pay the trader is the most important thing, which they did. Like, now you can at least withdraw $500, but then it still leaves you with a $2,000 buffer and gives you a chance to continue with the account and hopefully get it to another payout. So I don't know. I get both sides. I think it's a little of both, honestly. I think they know that most people are going to blow accounts. So, but I think there's also going to be a portion of traders that are trading consistently that are actually now going to be able to keep their funded accounts for longer. Hey, Alpine in the building. How we doing, Alpine? Good morning. You're from the Mile High? Wait, where are you? Where did you go again? Did you go to Dominican Republic, right? I think so. If they put a daily loss limit at 250 after reaching 2,600, nobody will blow the account. Huh? One micro trader, how do you figure that? They should have just reduced how much you can withdraw from the buffer. Well, that's what they did, DT. That's exactly what they did. They just made it that you can only withdraw $500 from the buffer. That's what they did. Oh, wait, you're on the plane, Alpine? Let's go, Alpine. On the plane and watching Nutty Bar Trading. You love to see it. Tell the guy beside you, Alpine. Give the guy right beside you in the seat beside you. Elbow him. Give him a sharp elbow to the rib cage and tell him he should subscribe to Nutty Bar Trading. Just see what he does. Just see what he does and then be ready to bail. He might have to bail, but I will not be held responsible in any way. If you get knocked out, I'm sorry. Oh, man. Had a great morning at the airport trading. Let's go. Let's go, Alpine. I love to see it. That's so weird. That's so weird that you can watch and be flying and be trading on the plane. Apex is basically a bookie. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know what bookies do. Oh, you got an empty row. Wait, are you flying Alpine? Are you flying first class? Yeah, there you go. You should poke him and say, use code. I love it. You should, Alpine. You should stream from the plane. You should stream from the plane. Hey, thank you for the sub, BW. Thank you. Also, Eduardo, thanks for the sub. Rob also subbed. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Isn't the client paying for his flight? I don't even know. Maybe. Oh, you got economy pleep. Oh, I see. The Wi-Fi barely handles YouTube. Yeah, usually the Wi-Fi on planes is not that great. It would probably be a struggle to stream it. Probably would be a struggle. Man, poor I will say Rips right now is just getting absolutely manhandled by Patrick. Poor guys. That poor guy is just getting absolutely destroyed. Getting paid $2,500 plus the flight and the hotel for this trip. See, Alpine has got to go, and the guy's making money trading. He's like triple dipping or something. I'm not even sure what to call it, but he's getting paid to fly out. And while he's getting paid to do that, he's also making money trading. Hey, that's pretty impressive. You gotta love it. You love to see it. Anyway. Yeah, Rip started it. It looks like Patrick is gonna finish it. But hey, I don't mind a good duel. I don't mind a good trading competition. A good trading competition, I don't mind it. I enjoy it. I think it's great. It's some great content. But hey, if you lose, be a man. Be a man about it. Admit it. You know? If you want to know how to take losses, go rewind, go to my stream last year. My stream last year when I did a trading challenge with Patrick. You want to know how to take an L to the chin? That's what you need to go watch. Maybe I should send Rips that. Maybe I should send it to him and just, hey, if you need some pointers on how to take an L, here's how you do it. And I like Rips, like I like him, but I am very disappointed in how he has responded and deleting his red days. That's a yikes. That's a yikes. You hate to see it. Alpine, you missed it earlier, Alpine. Maybe we need to both do this challenge. We were saying, we were trying to count and see how many funded accounts could we have. How many funded accounts could we have if we combined all the prop firms? And minus a couple. I don't think we can go the route. FTT is not an option because, the only gear you're bringing is laptop. Oh, okay. How did Rips buy his SF90? That's a lot of money. Oh, trust. I'm sure I don't know. I'm sure the competition wasn't who had the most money. The competition was who could get on the top 25 leaderboard first. Rip says he makes more money playing poker. Huh. Maybe he should sell a course in that then instead of trading. Ooh, burn. Okay. We are about to break out again to the upside above the 680s here. Let's see if she can do it. Oh, I need to stop trading my UProfit0 account. That's one thing I wish TradingView needs a lockout feature. How can I lock myself out from continuing to trade this UProfit0 account? Because I need to stop. We need to stop. How do I stop? I don't think you can. Womp womp. Settings. It's sad that trading is about competition, though. Yeah, like I think it's okay. Like, okay, I don't mind a good competition, but it shouldn't. Okay, the competition should be to make each other better and not to dunk on them when someone loses. Like, but unfortunately, it's just not how the world works. The people want to see a competition, and then the people want to gloat about it. And my thing is just if you're going to agree to a competition, if you're going to agree to it and do it, then you also need to be man enough to then admit when you lose. Just admit it. Be a man about it. Take it to the chin and move on. It's not that hard. Right, Brandon. That's kind of what I think. I think, like, it's okay to be happy about winning a competition, but it's not necessary to, put other people down and just completely go off the rails. Now, I will say though, if like the whole ICT thing, I mean, ICT, he did agree, but the other part, and Patrick wants his 500,000, right? Patrick wants his 500,000. Well, the one thing that Patrick kind of fails to mention is Patrick also agreed to the bet that he will enter the Robbins Cup, and if he doesn't place higher than that, he will delete higher than ICT. He'll delete his YouTube channel. So, I mean, Patrick didn't hold up his end of the bargain either. He never even entered. So he said, I got a tweet that literally says he will enter, but he never did. So, I don't know. I'm convinced that, I'm starting to be convinced that 90% of that is just drama and trying to get clicks. I don't know. Yeah, Alpine, that's right. 600K Ferrari. Yeah, I don't see. I mean, we're selling courses must be way more lucrative than what I imagine. That's the only thing I can come up with. Selling courses must be the way to go. That's how all these guys are buying Ferraris and Lambos and yada, yada, yada. Here I am. I'm just trying to afford my minivan. which, by the way, my stupid minivan just decided to quit on me. Now I need to get that fixed yet before we go to Florida. Love to see it. Oh no. Oh no. Is Top Step TV? Don't tell me that they're losing money again. Those guys. Top Step live account, negative 4,500. Things you hate to see for $500. Someone needs to start keeping track of these things, okay? I need one of you. Maybe it's already out there, but this needs to happen. We need an Excel spreadsheet somewhere on the interwebs, and we need someone to keep a active live tracking of Top Step TVs every day, their P&L. We need that. Someone needs to do it. Is it a Ford? No, Timbo. It is not. My Chrysler is actually or my minivan is the Chrysler Pacifica. It's a very generic, it'd be exactly what you would imagine a 40-year-old dad to drive as a minivan. Exactly, Alpine. But they said it is. I agree. My thing has always been too, I'm like, there's no shot Top Step TV is losing this much money and it's actually on a live account. It's crazy. Just ask Top Step for their P&L since they started it. I'm sure they would just gladly hand that over. There's no way. I'm just waiting for this is going to happen. They're going to get a lawsuit from someone, and they're intentionally doing this. It's 100% a live account. Why would they lie about it? I mean, I don't know. It's true, DL. I have nothing to lose. You don't think they can afford it? I mean, I'm not saying they can't afford it. It's more just it's more about, why would you keep losing that much money on a consistent basis? So I don't know. Maybe it might be. I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying, if it is a live account, that's insane. I mean, that's crazy. That's all I'm saying. That's crazy, man. They're losing a lot of money for what? Like, is that supposed to be? I don't know. Maybe they do it to make people feel better. I have no idea. I have no idea, but just seems kind of crazy. They can, based on the numbers you can find online. Okay, I mean, I'm not. Again, it might be. It might be. I should ask him. They're hoping their traders are following their moves and blowing accounts. Yeah, that's where things would not look too good. All right, markets. What time is it? Oh, wow, it's 12 o'clock. Oh, mama. Okay. We need to do a giveaway. We need to do a duck race. But here's the thing. We are going to do a duck race. But it is going to be a sub mode. It's going to be sub only. So we're gonna do it. We had mentioned about doing it yesterday, and we had to leave so quickly. So here we go. We are going to do this. This is not going to be the OG sub only mode. We will do. What should I make it? I'm going to make it sub only mode. You have to be subbed at least. Oh man, what should I make it? I feel bad. I feel bad for cutting it out, but yeah, Alpine, hit that sub button. What are you doing? And you have to hit a thumbs up too. You know what cracks me up is when I see YouTube videos and they say, hey, we're doing a giveaway, but you can only be eligible for the giveaway if you hit the thumbs up button and the sub button. Well, I hate to break it to you guys, but there is no way for me to see who gave it a sub, who gave it a like or not. I just exposed myself, but you do have to hit the button. You do have to, do we want to do sub only mode? You have to be subbed at least for 1 day. No, I'm not doing 1 year. This is not the OG. I just want people that are actually subbed to be able to enter. So we could do 1 week. We could do 1 day. I think 1 day, I just want to get the people that, you know, if you subbed yesterday, and you helped get me over 13,000, I want to have you part of the clan here. So you're going to have to be subbed for 15 hours. How's that? 15 hours. Here we go. Okay, everybody, that we have officially entered sub-only mode. I never turn on sub-only mode. Maybe I need to do that more often, but I'll be honest, recently, I haven't really gotten that many trolls. So, wait, whoa. Everybody hold up. Whoa. Stop typing. Stop it. Stop typing. Oh my gosh, I'm going to lose my mind. It's not, everybody stop. Nobody move. Oh my gosh, the next guy to type, I'm going to ban you. Oh my gosh, you guys don't listen. Am I muted? Are you guys listening? Hello? Are you guys listening? It's not on yet. It's not going yet. Everybody calm down. Jeez. Oh, man. It's the sub-only mode is going. The giveaway is not fully on yet. I need you guys to calm down. Jeez. Oh, my. I thought I lost you all there for a second. All right. Now stop it. Okay, finally, I think we got everyone listening. All right, now that I have your attention, now you can enter. Now you can go. Go for it. Go crazy. Go for it. Knock yourself out. Exclamation mark Nutty. Exclamation mark Nutty. Knock yourself out. If you can't type in the chat, you just got, I don't know what to tell you. You got to hit that sub button. I kind of like sub-only mode. I might abuse this thing. I might abuse sub-only mode. Every day, I'm going to make it so that you have to be subbed for 1 day in order to type in the chat. And then I'll troll people. I'll say stuff that's going to just make people so mad. But then they have to wait a full day to actually type something in the chat. Oh, that makes me laugh. I kind of want to do it now. And you know, if a guy waits a full day to then say something, like, you know, he was big mad. He was serious if he subbed and waited a full day to then make sure you know how he feels. But something about that would just kind of make me it would just kind of make me feel pretty funny. It would tickle me. It would tickle me. All right, giveaway. We are duck race time. Duck race, sub-only duck race time. You got 3 minutes to enter. We're going to pick 15 names. I haven't decided how much money. How much money should we give away today? Feel like you guys have been really good lately. Like you guys have been awesome. Let's do 300 to first, 200 to second, and 100 to third. All right? 300, 200, 100. Good luck. Now, one thing I thought about doing, maybe we can do a poll, but I thought about doing 3 duck races, and every duck race the winner is the only person that wins. And then we run it back 3 times. We could do that, or we could just do this like normal. 1 duck race, and then first, second, and third. Maybe we'll do a poll on that, how you guys want to do it. I don't really mind either way. But man, this market has just kind of died all of a sudden. We keep getting stuck. We keep getting stuck right here at the 680s. Three duck races sounds fun. I feel like it would mix it up a little bit, right? Just mix it up. We could do 3 1-minute duck races. I don't want to do 3 2-minute duck races. That's going to take too long. And I'm going to lose my voice. I don't have enough stamina for 3 2-minute duck races. Oh, wow. All right, guys, we got 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Get in now or forever hold your peace. Exclamation mark Nutty. You know, one of the things I really like, and my OCD is very pleased when I have the exact same amount of profit on every single account. I love it. All right, guys, 10 seconds. Exclamation mark Nutty. Hey, we got a pretty all right, you can, okay. We can no longer enter. Did a lot of you not get in? Come on, tell me that you guys didn't just. Okay, I'm gonna resume entries for a minute. If you didn't get in, I'll resume again for a minute. Give you a chance. Cody, where's Mom? Where are your pants? Where are your pants, buddy? They're upstairs. Yeah. What happened to your pants? Mom took them off. Mom took them off? Yeah. You should go tell Mom that you want pants. You can see your bloody. Cody. All right, guys, we're going to close the entries in about 20 seconds. Ooh, we almost have 300 entries. Wow. And now we're going lower. Guys, you can only enter one time. It doesn't help to spam it, okay? I promise you it does not help. Okay, we are closing the entries, folks. All right, you can no longer enter. We are shutting it down. I feel a sneeze coming. Cody Lamar, what in the world is going on? That is Daddy's. This is what Daddy uses to practice golfing. Yeah, Daddy practiced golfing. Like that. Whoop. But Cody, be careful. Careful. No. There we go. I'll leave it green. Now, did you know we're going to do a duck race soon? Now they hear that you have a cough. Uh-oh. All right, okay, hang on 1 second. Oh, all right. All right, we're back. Okay, it's time to pick the names. We need to get going. I still have so much work. I still have so much work to do. I still have so much packing to do. I have to pack up my whole setup yet. But we'll get there. All right. Give me a second here. All right. Here we go. Oh, you guys can't see. Hang on. All right, here we go. We are going to pick 10 or 15 names. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to pick 15 names, and then we're going to have 3 consecutive duck races. Only first place will get a prize in each race. Okay, we're going to do it a little bit different. So first place will get $200 in each race. And we'll be giving away a total of $600. So $200, but only to the first place winner. All right. Once the first guy that wins, he'll be taken out, and then we'll continue the race for the next guy. Okay, here we go, everybody. Are you ready for the names? And the first name is going to be Micro Player. Micro Player, congratulations. Good luck. Next name, TBG Bullies. TBG Bullies. Don't be bullies, kids. And the next name is going to be Dale. Dale, very nice. Good luck, sir. Next name, Jenna. Jenna, nice. Nice. All right. Congrats. Good luck. Here we go. Next name. Let's go. Kid Poker. Are you here, Kid Poker? You have been entered in the duck race. And Jenna, let's go. All right, Kid Poker. I want to see you win one. Come on. You deserve it. All right, here we go. Next name is going to be Trolls. Trolls Dawn. Trolls Doll. All right, next name is going to be Joe Richardson. Joe Richardson. Good luck, sir. Next, uh-oh. Scott T. Please, for the love of everything holy, please tell me this is not Scott from FTT. Imagine Scott. This is Scott from FTT. The finances are so bad that he's entering duck races, guys. Hey, I will help where I can. I will help where I can, Scott. I'm just kidding. That's too funny. Good luck, Scott. Good luck. All right, next name. Next name is NP. NP, man. Scott out here catching strays all day long. Yeah, let Scott win so I can get my payouts. Hey, Alpine, listen. Alpine, don't worry. Don't worry. If you got denied your payouts because they don't have enough funds, don't worry about it. Scott was a little delayed in getting people paid out yesterday. He was delayed in getting people paid out last night because he had, he was attending the Yankees game, probably spent, a couple grand on tickets. But hey, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. All right, next name is going to be Alex Booth. Alex Booth, congratulations and good luck, sir. All right, now we need to eliminate 10 names here. Don't worry, you're still entered. No need to freak out. Kid Poker, please tell me Kid Poker is in here. Please tell me Kid Poker is here. Someone go get him. Can someone go get Kid Poker? All right, the next name is Fufu Rar. Let's go. Nicely done, Fufu Rar. Good luck. And the next name is Carolina. Carolina. Okay, now, wait, Carolina, did you win? I forget. No, was it Trade Bum that won? Now I'm confused. I forget. I don't think so. Anyway, we're moving on. Carolina, good luck. Kalik Taktuk. Kalik Taktuk. Congratulations and good luck. Wait, did you win, Carolina? But did you win since Patrick donated? Did you win since then? I can't remember. If they won, they're banned. No. Okay, she did 2 days ago. Okay, Carolina, I'm sorry. We got to take you out. Rules are rules. You must be, you should maybe go play the lottery, Carolina. Oh, you did. You won the 500. Yes, okay. And you just got it today. Let's go. All right, we are going to take Carolina out. All right. Now, next one is going to be Roger Sam. Roger Sam, congrats and good luck. Next name, Felix Taveras. Felix Taveras. Okay, here we go. Final name. Here is the final name. And oh, we need to do a full-scale investigation. Trading with Travis is now have been picked. He didn't win, so he gets to get in again. But he was entered last couple days ago. Travis, I think you should enter, maybe play the lottery as well. So pretty awesome. Let's go. All right. Here we go, boys. Here is the list of names. Now we are going to do 1 minute. Okay. Well, again, we're doing a 1 minute race and we're going to do it 3 times. Only the winners will get $200. Only the winners. All right. So everyone. Yeah. First Scott, now trading with Travis. All right, here we go. Yeah, please don't group him in that same class, Neo. That is totally not fair. All right, here we go. And the first race, here we go. Here we go, boys. Everybody ready? And they're off. All right, boys, we got a very short race here, so I don't know how, I'm not sure how this is going to work, but right now, we got Scott from Fast Track Trading in the lead. I'm just kidding. He's not from FTT, thankfully. Here we go. Joe Richardson and Joel Troll Saul is in a close second. But right now, Scott T is taking a commanding lead. 30 seconds to go. Now, here comes Joel Richardson. Joe Richardson now taking the lead. Here comes Alex Booth making a push. This is 20 seconds to go. Man, this does not last long. Here comes Micro Player. He's trying to make a push for the lead. 10 seconds to go. Oh, here comes Trading with Travis. Can he do it? Oh, no, here comes Scott. Scott came back, and he will win it. For a minute, I thought Travis had a chance, but nope. Fast Track Trading obviously needs the funds, so we're all happy that Scott was able to secure an additional $200 for tonight's payouts. Payouts have been saved. I'm sorry. I will stop trolling now. Congratulations, Scott. I know it's not Scott. I am really sorry that you have just been lumped in with him. That's not fair. So congratulations, Scott. I love to see it. All right, here we go. We're going to race again. We are going to race again. Wait a minute. We can't. Hang on. We got to take Scott out. All right, here we go. Ooh, you know what we could do? We could take Scott out and put another name in. That would be kind of cool. I think that would be kind of cool. Let's do that. So, we're taking Scott out. Now we have room for one more name. Robbie M. Put me in, coach. All right, who's going to be the lucky one? Here we go. And it is Trading Funds. Trading Funds is now in. Let's see if he can pull it out. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. And here we go. On your marks, get ready, and here we go. 1 minute to go. Pace yourself, but you got to be pretty quick. Now, yeah, last time we had Scott take an early lead and he ended up winning. Here comes Foo Rar with a commanding opening lead. Just blazing speed. We got Trading with Travis. He showed some potential in the last race. Can he hold it this time? Trading Funds just entered the race and is well rested. Can he pull it off? Here comes Micro Player from the bottom. Alex Booth is now putting on some speed. We got 20 seconds to go. And here is Kid Poker. Please, come on, Kid Poker. I want him to win. Here comes Trading with Travis. Right now, he's in the lead. Can he hold it? Last time he fell off, and he's going to fall off again. Here comes Dale with a push. Felix with a push, and it's going to be Nicely done, Dale. You came out of nowhere. I have no idea where you came from. But the second race is winner is Dale. Congratulations, Dale. All right, Kid Poker, you got one more shot. All right, here we go. We are going to race again. First, we are going to remove a name. It doesn't matter which one we remove. All right, here we go. The next name to be entered is... Huh? Did I pick it? What happened? Oh. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Next name is going to be Mars. Mars with a chance. Okay. We got to get that name. And, oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Everybody hold up. All right. Now, Dale is removed. And in his place is Mars. There we go. Now everything's set. All right, guys. Everybody ready? Everybody ready? On your mark. Get ready. Set. And go. And they're off. Here comes, this is a very tight race. Trading with Travis. For the third race in a row. Can he maintain it? Maintain it. Right now, Trading with Travis just does not have the stamina to keep going. But maybe this time it'll be different. Here's Kid Poker. I'm pulling for him, but that might be bad luck. Come on, Kid Poker. Put on some speed. Here comes Felix Tavares. He's in a commanding lead right now. We got Joe Richardson in second. We got Roger Sam making a move. Coming up through third and now into the lead. Roger Sam takes the lead. Trolls Doll is also neck and neck. We got a photo finish here. 10 seconds to go. Here comes TBG Bullies. Here comes Trading with Travis. Here comes TBG Bullies. And TBG Travis, I tell you, Travis, you need to work on your stamina. It was so close. You were so close, man. Trading with Travis, you only last 10 seconds. I did not plan to say that out loud today at any point, but here we are. All right, TBG Bullies, congratulations. And nicely done. Thank you for playing. I'm sorry if you didn't win. I'm sorry, Kid Poker. I was pulling for you, Kid Poker. I really was. You just never were able to get anything going. Jenna as well. Oh, you hate to see it. All right, guys. I don't even know what the market is doing. Market is not doing much. We're not missing anything. All right. So, for the winners, please send me an email. Here we go. Let me put in the email. All right, there you go. There is my email. If you won, please send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel and your email for your PayPal account, and we will get you paid. $200 to each winner. Again, thanks for playing, and congratulations. All right, let me make sure. Okay, we're back to the markets. Back to the markets. Use the codes. Oh. I actually, yeah. Maybe tomorrow, Kid Poker. Maybe. We can only hope. All right, guys. Is this going to push back higher now? I'm honestly not that interested in taking another trade. I am completely happy walking away with this, locking it in. Obviously, so tomorrow and Friday will be no stream. I will literally, here's what is going to happen the next 24 hours. It's going to be wild. As soon as I end stream, I am literally, I mean, you guys can't see, but trust me when I tell you, I got my computer here, and then I got about 1 million wires. I got 4 monitors. I got lights. I got cameras. I mean, everything needs to come down. Everything needs to be packaged. Everything needs to be basically prepared for the move. And we still have, I still need to load the trailer. And then tonight, I think we're going to go visit some family before we leave. And then right now, the plan is that we leave here tomorrow morning at like 4 o'clock in the morning. And then we're probably just going to drive all the way through, stop somewhere to sleep around 7, 8 o'clock tonight, and then finish the trip on Friday afternoon. Hopefully we'll be in Florida somewhere around noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock on Friday. And then Saturday, and I can set up my stream, hopefully. And then hopefully we'll be back to streaming from a completely different place. It's going to look totally different than it looks here. And we'll be streaming again on Monday, getting ready for the election on Tuesday. It's going to be crazy. Take pictures of all of it. Oh, yeah, true. Good idea, Dad. Good idea, Dad Nader. So no more big lawn. Again, we're just moving to Florida temporarily. We will be back here in the spring. We're moving to Florida for the winter. Thank you, John. I appreciate it. Thanks, everyone, for the well wishes. I do appreciate that. Thank you. Did I buy a house? No, I did not. Nope. Did not buy a house. We are only renting, and it's expensive. Ugh. I definitely, if we do it again, like, if we do this and it works out, then I don't know what we're going to do, honestly. I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm not exactly excited about spending that much money on rent every month. So hopefully we can, I don't know, hopefully we can get something worked out. Okay, Scott, I got your email, and funds are on their way. Congratulations again, Scott. And Dale, I got your email as well, Dale. Appreciate it. Thank you. Now I only need, who was the winner for the last race? Who was it? I don't even remember, but send me an email if you're here. Why can't I not remember? I can go watch the VOD. Oh, it was TBG Bullies, right? Yes. Yeah, TBG Bullies. Okay. Yep. TBG Bullies, if you're in here, send me an email. Are you in here? So, all right, I'm going to get that money sent out, and we will, yeah, but there you go, TBG Bullies. Thank you. I will get this money sent out. Thanks again, everyone. Really do appreciate all the support of late. You guys have been going crazy, getting a lot of subs, a lot of viewers. I really do appreciate it. So hit the like button on your way out, but I'm going to call it here. And I hope you guys all trade well the next couple days. And I hope to see everyone back on Monday. So trade safe, stay safe, and God bless.